Hello everyone, in today's video, I am going to turn on dark mode on Instagram. If you are new to the channel, so don't forget to like and subscribe for these easy tips. So let's begin the video. First, open Instagram application. After that, click on your profile in the bottom left corner. You will see 3 lines at the top right side, just click on it. After this, you will see a search bar, click on it. You need to type dark mode. Click on dark mode. You will see 2 options, on or off. Generally the off is selected, you just need to click on and the dark mode will be enabled. I hope your issue will be solved. If you don't get how to turn on, just leave a comment and I will reach out to you. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.